Pedagogical leaders must ensure that in all school processes, the child is at the center. Not the development goal of FLN. Answer is children become effective readers. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an adaptive leader? Answer is not listening to people. The following classroom practices would be developmentally appropriate for children of foundational age. Answer is introducing new concepts gradually. Must organize assessment of children of 3 to 9 years of age group for assessing their strengths, needs and interests. Involvement type of communicating includes. Answer is discussing children's portfolio with parents on a regular basis. Must introduce new information and relate it with what children already know. Statement about vision is not true. Answer is vision does not have any specified time frame. One of the appropriate strategies for assessment of learning of children of 3 to 9 years of age group would be through. Answer is observation of children on their multiple activities. This is essential for school development plan in the context of FLN. Answer is planning for the development needs of children 3 to 9 years of age group. One's ability to reason and to apply simple numerical concepts in daily life can be considered as part of. Answer is foundational numeracy. Numeracy is a comprehensive field of expertise wherein a leader needs to possess. Answer is in-depth knowledge of pedagogies useful for children of 3 to 9 years of age. Encourage. Answer is shared accountability for students' learning outcomes. Coach teaches on various pedagogical practices for children. Which model of leadership once talks about designing schools processes based on cultural and linguistic background of children? Answer is context-specific leadership. Grade 3 is an important learning stage for children as it signifies shift from. Answer is learn to read to learn. Transformational leadership. Answer is financial management. The concept of foundational literacy and numeracy applied to children of. Answer is 3 to 9 years of age groups. Leadership for strengthening FLN is not appropriate. Answer is academic leadership. Schools cannot involve varied families in child education. Answer is by just giving homework to students. This is not a type of involvement between school family community. Answer is participating. Which of these is not part of the framework on pedagogical leadership? Answer is leading experimentation in science laboratories. What must be between the adult and the child in the context of FLN? Answer is fear-free and joyous. Skill can be considered as gateway skill that marks the entry of a child into the formal schooling process. Answer is foundational literacy and numeracy skill. Of these pedagogies is not relevant for children of 3 to 9 years of age group. Answer is Socrates dialogue. Leadership can. Answer is build strong foundational learning competencies among children. Following is not included in the involvement type of learning at home. Answer is discriminate parents if they are illiterate. A school leader which is not suitable for foundational stage learning. Answer is authoritative. School teacher can engage children of 3 to 6 years of age group through play-based pedagogies. Engagement are more likely to state that. Answer is all parents can support their children. Which of these concepts is not relevant to leading FLN in schools? Answer is not communicating with community and parents. A term which can be understood as the adding up of learning gap in a child's progression in school. Answer is cumulative learning deficit. Collaborative process with stakeholders can encourage. Answer is shared accountability for students' learning outcomes. Which of these is essential for school development plan in the context of FLN? Answer is planning for the developmental needs of children of 3 to 9 years of age group. How can the school leader build effective relations with the preschool teachers? Answer will be discussing and planning with teachers around developmental needs of children. To maintain the morning arrival period to school, which strategy must be adopted by teachers of first grade? Answer will be establishing routine arrivals tasks for children such as group reading so that they are encouraged to come on time.